In this lesson, I will show you zoom, rotate, pan and a few standard view. So this is the very important lesson before you will start to work with the sketch, because when you will work with the sketch, sometimes this will be very difficult for you to zoom in, zoom out or pan your part, or sometime if you want to see any standard view, sometimes this will be hard for you. So now first I will work with the pan. If you want to pan your part, just right click, and here you can see this is the option. You can get this pan option, and you can very easily pan from here. This is the very easy way, but there is one shortcut. Just press and hold your control key and hold your middle mouse button, and you can pan from here. This is very quick and easy. When you will be more familiar with this, you can pan this thing very quickly. So this is the one way to pan, and this is the one other way to pan. If you want to zoom, there are lots of way to zoom. Suppose if I just scroll in or scroll up or scroll down, you can see by this way I can zoom in or zoom out. This is the most easiest way, but the problem is, suppose when I zoom in or zoom out, where is my cursor position? That is very important. If I put my cursor position here and if I try to zoom in, you can see this is going away from my graphics window. In that case, that for the new user, this is very common mistake, that they don't understand how they will bring that part inside within this graphics view. This is the one shortcut key. One shortcut key is F. If you press your F key, you can see you will get your part back inside this graphic window. This is the one way. Another way is, if I just double click my middle mouse button, it is the same thing. So by this way, you can get your part inside this graphic window. And there is some other option like zoom to fit, zoom to area. Zoom to area means if I want to zoom any specific area, I have to zoom by this way. This is also another zoom option. If I want to zoom to fit, if I just press zoom to fit, it will fit. That means if I press F, the same thing as this zoom to fit. So if you want to zoom, there are a few options, and you can access from here, or you can access by this way mouse, or there is another option. This is also zoom. You can see from this bar you can also zoom in, zoom area. If I select this zoom area, it will zoom to this area. Or if I press zoom fit, it will zoom everything within your graphic window. So by this way, there are lots of options. By this way, you can zoom in or zoom out. So now I will show you how you can rotate it. If you want to rotate it, just right click and select the rotate view. When I will try to move this part, you can see this is, I can rotate this, and this my mouse icon is also changed. That means now I am in rotate view option. If I unselect this, I cannot rotate this now. The best option, I will tell you the shortcut. The shortcut is press and hold your middle mouse button, then try to rotate this part. This is the quickest way. This is the best way to rotate. So by this way, you can zoom, rotate and pan. And another option I will talk about, the standard view. If you want to see your part from different angle, if I go to this drop down menu, you can see there are few standard view you will get. This is front view, top view, and this is the preview. If I see this is the front view. If I want to change to the right view, I can change from here. There are few standard view you will get, and if you want any isometric view, dimetric or trimetric, you will get from here. If I select this isometric, I can also get from here. But if I don't want to view from this angle, if I want to view from this angle, how do I do that? There is another option. Press your space button. You will get this window where the window name is orientation. Inside this window, you will get few options. This is all our standard view, which you already got from here, and this is the isometric, diametric, trimetric view. You can pin this. If you don't pin this, if I select the front view, it will go away. So you have to pin this so that it will stay here. And there are a few other options. This is the very cool option that is called view selector. This is called view Q. If I select this, you can see this part from different angle. If I want to see from this angle, if I want to see part from this angle, suppose if I select this angle, you can see the part from this angle. So this is huge flexibility. Even I can see from this side, this is very easy to rotate. So by this way you can select your view, and if you want to create your view, you can also create your view from here. This is fairly advanced option. I will not talk about it, how do you create your view or how do you update your view. If I say you the thing, you will not understand now, so I will discuss this later. So by this way you can zoom, rotate, pan, and you can see your standard view.